Hello guys, in this video we'll be seeing how to set up Docker in our remote system. What is Docker? Docker is a container technology where we can spin up OSs within seconds, and we can set up all kind of software's requirements within just a seconds, and we can easily port the entire OS to to any person in this world with the help of Docker Hub. So Docker makes our life much simpler than installing entire OS, waiting for the booting time, and upgraded method is virtualization. Much more simple and faster is this container technology of Docker. So we'll be seeing how to install and set up Docker in a remote system using Ansible in this video. So I've written a playbook by name docker.yml. So you could see over there docker.yaml is there. So we will run this docker.yaml. So Docker gets installed and set up successfully in our remote VM. So we'll be seeing the code. So I've opened the code over here. You could see we'll be configuring Docker in all hosts, in all signifies all the IP addresses which we have configured in our ip.txt. And there are a couple of tasks which we'll be performing. First, we'll be creating a yum repository where a separate repo gets created for Docker, and installing the latest version of Docker, which you could get in the Docker's website. So state is present. It checks whether the software Docker is present or not. If it's not present, it will download it for us. So then it will start the Docker services like HTTPD services, which we saw earlier. So once it's enabled, uh, it's a dependency as we are downloading it from Ansible. So we have to use a pip3 command for it's act like a SDK for Python 3. So this is a dependency only when we are downloading or setting up Docker using Ansible. So we'll run this playbook by saving it. So it's collecting the set of facts on background. So now it start adding repository, installing the Docker packages, starting the services. So it successfully configured Docker and remote system. So we could confirm it by going into the other VM. We'll see over here. So we'll see by using Docker. Just type Docker. You could see a long listing of commands. So if you get this kind of messages, we could say that Docker successfully configured. So we could see even Docker version. So Docker version is 2010.1. So from which we could confirm that our Ansible done our job very easily and quickly. So in the next video we'll be seeing how we can use Docker in setting up our web page inside the Docker. Using Docker we'll be doing that. So thank you.